You need to hear this if you're an entrepreneur looking for new opportunities. Let's talk about USPS contracts. First, head to the USPS website and find business services at the bottom. Click how to become a USPS supplier and start the registration process. Fill out the supplier form and email it back. Quick tip, it can take up to 3 months to hear back, so be patient. Make sure your business is set up properly with an LLC and a DUNS number. Need help? Reach out for a consultation. Once registered, you'll get access to their supplier portal to start bidding on contracts. This is especially great if you're in a rural area. Like and subscribe for more tips. Let's build a life beyond the 9-to-5 grind together. Let's go.